Make a green chicken dinner casserole. Got corn tortillas. These are white corn tortillas. Going to layer this in a 9 by 13 pan. Okay. Then we have got 4 cups of rotisserie chicken. We're only going to use a half right now. So we're going to get us out. This be better so we can get it everywhere. Just layer you some rotisserie chicken. It's about half of it, about 2 cups. Then you're going to take some sour cream. Take sour cream, say about 1 1/4 cup. We're just going to put little dollops on here. I think that's what you call them. And then we'll kind of try and spread it out. Okay, then you're going to take some green enchilada sauce. This is, say 28 ounces, we've got 3 10 ounces. So we're gonna go ahead and do 1 1/2 of the cans. Be plenty of moisture for your tortillas. 1 more half. Okay. Now you're going to take and put some, got Colby and Monterey Jack cheese.
Alrighty. So the whole bag.
Whole bag of cheese, which is 2 cups. Now you're gonna take your corn tortillas again and make the same layers.
Good. They just give me more reflux.
Right. Okay, now, rest of our chicken. This is a rotisserie chicken.
Straight from Publix.
Publix has got some of the best rotisserie chicken.
Couldn't agree more. It's looking good.
Okay, now our cream. If you like sour cream, you can do however you want. You can do 1 1/4 or 2 cups.
All right.
Okay, but you got your sour cream all spread. And you're gonna finish up with the other half a can of the green enchilada sauce.
I think this is gonna be a good one, Kim.
Mm-hmm. I see and looked at recipes on the back of the cans.
Oh, we should try that.
Might try one of them. Okay, and then, of course, top it off with our Colby Jack. About 30 minutes. Okay. That's kind of heavy. It's got all the different layers, but it should be delicious.
Mm-hmm. 350, 30 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
All righty.
Okay. Green chicken dinner.
That looks so good.
Marble effect. I love the green.
Mm-hmm. It looks awesome. All right, I'm gonna let this cool down for a minute, garnish it up, and come on, try it.
Okay, we are going to top this with our crispy onions. Just be a different kind of topping. We thought we'd give it a try.
That actually sounds good to me.
Nope. That should be plenty.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we'll taste test it.
Charles, you want to try this?
Which piece would you like?
Which piece would you? Oh.
Is that cream cheese in there?
No, it's
No,
not.
no.
It's a surprise.
Okay.
Let me make sure I got you all the corn
Cottage
tortilla.
cheese?
No,
That's
it's
real-
not.
no cottage
I would
cheese.
not give you cottage cheese.
Are you trying it too, or is it just me?
It's just you.
Mmm. Tastes just like enchiladas. It's
Yeah.
really good, yeah.
Okay, good deal.
Some crunchy on it too.
That's the
This is
onions.
the French onion.
Yeah.
That's sour cream.
Oh, I like sour cream.
Yeah.